Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your capture card is showing up black on your PS5 Pro. So go ahead and just connect it to a normal HDMI source without the capture card so you can actually see what's on your screen. And go up to Settings right here and select this. And go on down to where it says Screen and Video. Actually, we want to go over to System right here and select this. And then go down to HDMI. Go to the right. And we want to disable this one specific setting. This is some sort of like copyright protection kind of setting right here. So if you have this turned on and you connect a capture card, well, it's going to just hide the entire screen by showing up black. So if this is checkmark turned on, you will not have a signal on your capture card. So I'm going to enable this because I don't have a capture card connected. But go ahead and just have this to the left and disable this and then connect it to your capture card. And then it should show up for you. So if you do not have this uncheck marked, it won't work on your PS5 Pro. And your Elgato or what you're using won't work. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.